All right, next we're going to evaluate this integral. So we're going to start by evaluating this with respect to x. So that's just going to be x, y, z. Evaluated from 3 to z. And then dz, dy. So if x is z, then this is y z squared minus, and then 3 minus 3 yz. And we're going to next evaluate this with respect to z. So z, this becomes integral from 0 to 2 of z cubed over 3. So 1/3 y z cubed minus, let's see, z squared, so 3/2 y z squared. And we're going to evaluate that from 0 to y squared. So if we plug in y squared here for z, this is going to give us y to the 6th, so y to the 7th. So 1/3 y to the 7th minus 3/2 y to the, let's see, this would be y to the 4th, so y to the 5th. And last integral here, with respect to y, this is now y to the 8th divided by 8, so that's 1/24 y to the 8th minus y to the 6th divided by 6, so that's going to be 1/4, right? Yeah, 1/4 y to the 6th. And we're going to evaluate that from 0 to 2. All right, so 2 to the 8th is 256, and 2 to the 6th is 64. So 1/4 minus 1/4 times 64. All right, let's see, 24, 256 over 24, that will reduce to, let's see, if we divide it by 8, that's going to be a 3 on the bottom. This divided by 8 is going to be 32, so 32 over 3. And then 64 divided by 4 is going to be 16. So minus 16, what would that be in thirds? So in thirds, that would be 16 times 3 is 48, 48 thirds. So this is going to be negative 16 thirds.